Hi guys, so with us having the lockdown due to the coronavirus, I had a problem that my thickness of blades were blunt. In fact, they were more than blunt, and obviously I couldn't get new ones or get them sharpened, so I came up with this hack to do it myself. So I took the grinding wheel off of my bench grinder, and I made up a mandrel for it that fits into the chuck of the little milling machine attachment. Set it off to 38 degrees and clock the vise that's connected to the travel, and it kind of works well. So if you in the same predicament and you have some of this equipment, maybe it's something that you can do. Let me just show you how it works. It was quite difficult just getting the travel right so that I could get the full length of the blade, but we got there in the end. I've done the one blade and this is the second blade I'm doing now. You have to just go really slow, so it's really polishing it more than grinding it. And as you can see, you get quite a good finish. It probably takes about 20 minutes to do the one surface with the amount of damage I've got on the blade.